Alright, time to work on my race bike. Got a race this weekend. 9th of July. Today is the 4th. This is what I do on my day off work. So I've been digging around parts. Can't find much from the racetrack, so I don't know where all my junk is at. Everything seems to be missing as usual. So these are the pistons I took off that were the wrong size. I found one set of, hopefully the piston I'm using, 10 over. These are 20s. I got some 10 over rings, some cheap ass ones that I like. This bike tends to like chrome rings over moly or cast, so those are chrome rings. This is the old diaphragm that took a crap. For the regulator, here's the rings that I made work. And here's the new diaphragm kit for the regulator. So I got to rebuild all that. These are file to fit rings. I'll probably not use those. I'll use these ones. We'll figure that out later. I got to put another set back in this box, so I'll dig up something for that. Well, this is all the junk that we failed on the last go at putting this thing together. And then we got a bad ignition switch they got to replace. And this is the replacement that hopefully works better. If not, we'll find something else to use. So that stuff has to go back on the bike. That's got to come back apart because right now there is nothing in there. And I don't know where my piston's at unless it's in the bike, which I don't remember putting it back in the bike, but I don't remember taking it off either. So it might still be in there. Hopefully it is because it's missing. Alright, so I just threw this together because in the middle of a dust rainstorm, so to bring it back home I slammed it back together. So let's take it back apart, and we get a little more time and tools to fix things more correctly than to track in the middle of a dust storm. Alright, get this thing apart and see what we got. Brand new plug has nice fuel mixture on it. Pretty good for nitromethane. A little bit on the rich side, but nitro likes being rich, so that's probably lean. Alright, what's all this crap? This is just laying here. What else is laying around? This is good. That's all good. Alright. Damn. For slamming together, I tightened it up pretty good. Don't want it to fall off. We got a layer of dust on it. It's so clean when I put it together. It stay that way long. Missing tools already. Oh well. This one here. You. tailpipe off too. So how long does it take a top in off of a race bike? Not long usually. Slides out of here. Must be doing something wrong. I don't know. Something not right. Dust problem or what? Something's screwing with me. The airlines are on this place anymore. Knock the camera over. None of these parts just come apart, so shouldn't have to be fighting this. Don't know. Should just pull out. No idea where it's coming out. Should just fall out of here. Alright, it just freed up. Gotta be dust, dirt. Yeah, just locked up again. Not, maybe I over-squeezed the clamp finally after 30 years, 25 years of using this clamp. I think it's just dirt. It's dirt. See the scratch mark in there? The dirt in there. Dirt causes all kinds of issues. You know, really, really tight clearances like that, there was no room for the dirt. This is causing a problem. It's on the right side over there. It goes in and out now, like it's supposed to. First time I've had that problem. Definitely scarred the piss out of it. So now you do stuff in the middle of a dust storm. Of course, that's not the first time I've done it in the middle of a dust storm. It's the first time it's caused issues. Alright. She's fixed. Maybe. Till the next time, right?